Saturday the 8th of August 26 it was open day at Ribble Steam Railway on Preston Docks. Built in 1863, this furnace railway number 20 is Britain's oldest operational standard gauge. Good afternoon, my friends. Saturday afternoon, 8th of August 26, sunny day, weather's great actually. I've just been to see a steam train running up and down the tracks here on Preston Docks. So that's where I'm situated, Preston Docks. I'm at the town end, or the Preston end of the dock itself. At the far end, you'll see in a moment, that's where all the boats are, and the barges, and the gates that go out to the channel, to the estuary. Now the estuary is to the left of those boats. The lock gates, I should say, there. So that's where the lock gates are. Then you've got a cafe area. Then you've got the marina for the barges, the small yacht, the boats and yachts. Couple of old buoys that used to be out in the estuary for when the big ships came in from the Irish Sea, passed out through Lytham and then down the estuary, and those were way out into the estuary. This is the Preston end, the business end, or businesses. And I would say you've got a Burger King, you've got a cinema, you've got, what's the other one, KFC, and then across there you've got more retail businesses and stores, and also a pub. So you know when the older generations say, when I were a lad. So that's how I'm going to start this then. So when I were a lad, the post-war in industrial era, so it's late 40s right through to the 70s, I would imagine. And this area that you're looking at now is completely different. So on the right hand side there used to be railway tracks, cranes, and that's the side that the ships, cargo ships that used to dock alongside the wall there. So they were coming through those lock gates, where I'm zooming into now. Yeah, so they come in through there after travelling from the Irish Sea up past Lytham St Anne's and into the estuary, and along the estuary to here. And then, so that's where they were berthed, and there was a lot of ships. I remember as a lad, we used to come along here and we used to go right down to where the lock gates are, and you could actually stand by the lock gates when the ferries, especially the ferry from Ireland and Northern Ireland, used to come, and they were massive. So you imagine you stood alongside there and the ships were massive, but they were passing through. Now over on this side, where those houses and flats etc. are now built, there used to be the banana sheds, and they would take up, the sheds would take up all that area, because obviously fruit, bananas etc. import was a big thing after the war. So imagine that would be full of sheds, and also the banana boats, as we would call them, would berth on that side, and again there'd be big cranes etc. So it was a hive of activity.